The next thing you want to do, this is actually the number 7 cylinder. So I'm going to get the number 7 piston, and I want to talk to you about putting the rings on. So you want to put the expander and the 2 scraper rails on for your oil ring. And make sure that that expander is butted up on the ends and not overlapped. Now the next thing is we want to look at this is our number, this is our 2nd ring. It is really important, you guys, that you use ring and expander pliers. Dot on the ring, this is my 2nd ring. Remember, that dot is going to go up. Now let me show you how to use these ring pliers. Take the ring, put the ring on top of the piston and put your thumb on it like that. Get your ring pliers on the end. Once you get the ring pliers on the end, push that ring up against the piston. Just like that. Just push it up against the piston. So it's not going to come out of there. And then we're just going to expand that ring enough to get it over the piston. If I were to reef these pliers open as hard as I can, of course I'm going to break the ring, right? So it's not the tool. Trust me. And the order of piston installation is your oil ring first, your 2nd, and your top, because you don't want to stretch the upper rings over the bottom one. Now we go to our Molly top ring. Now on this particular ring, there's no dot on it, but if the top ring does have a bevel on the inside here, guys, that needs to face up. The bevel on the 2nd ring faces down, and the bevel on the top ring, this inner bevel here, and this really doesn't even have one, it's actually pretty square. But if it does have a bevel, I'm going to put that bevel up. This has a bevel, but it's exactly the same on both sides. So realistically, this ring would go on either way. The bevel is the same. There's literally no difference. And that's true of a lot of top rings. They'll go on either way, but the 2nd ring is definitely directional almost always. So again, take your ring, get it in your expander pliers, push it up against the side of the piston, and expand that thing. It doesn't take much. Just barely expand it and put it on.